Ebusamema wakwa ba yefa from Ghana TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification also on so that anytime I post a video, biti se we are Usame kebi. Ebusam for beef, kase beef. I don't know me pepper beef. When two people are fighting, I like it rough. Just say when they are fighting, I make sure say I'm not close by so that I can get hurt. But when people are fighting, I like the scene. I like how say one person, this person who are oppressing or need to me but that person also is relying on the people who are holding him back. Say, oh, the big jai, and yes, sir. All right. So it's nice. But the beef that is ongoing right now, no, and physical beef, a beef on the internet between Musa Dankwah, our Lotto forecaster, and a Vim lady, Afia Pokua. Munim say Musa Dankwah. I think the leader of I've been forgotten any polling agency has come out to say as a Ghana for Bibre say if Ato Forsen is elected flag bearer for NDC, he was going to win against Dr Bawumia in 2028. Musa Dankwah any research be by Bontisa. Now, Vim lady, after seeing sa statement from Musa Dankwah, no, Oba Bonti, Musa Dankwah company Global Info Analytics. Just remember that. Vim lady says that with my 23 years of experience in journalism, there is no way Ato Forsen can lead Bawumia. Afia Pokua challenges Musa Dankwah's polls. Ebushamfo, ebeye 1-1 pass Ato Forsen as Minister of Finance with the kind of azan management ekosuno will be able to win an election with Dr. Bawumia. And Ato Forsen no, then a why sh0cking Ghanaians can stand on to vote for him. When anybody who has watched a parliamentary debate, any parliamentary conversations can tell you, say, many ministers, a lot of sector ministers are complaining, say, Sika is not being released for them to carry out omo plans. And all of them are waiting on the finance ministry. Haruna Idrisu, I am Minister of Education, came out to say, the reason they are not recruiting teachers is because the clearance has not come from the finance ministry. The payment of salaries for people working at the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Local Government, and all other ministries, it emanates from Ministry of Finance. And when people are not being paid, the person to blame is the Minister of Finance. The new taxes are NDC are buying way Eddie to Ghana for so demon levy no mukaya fuel levy no I buy demon levy and several others. Ukoye dollars they are slapping a percentage on it, 7%, and all those things that did not exist under NPP. Right? And there is no way Ghanaians are not ignorant of what is happening. Because mind you, next near abainu dinikano, so your bar or boyfriend, and that's all wokuno. That next, or a bema, maybe or a family man. And I say, or you're supposed to be the breadwinner of a family. And so when you hijack that person's salary, you have hijacked the whole destiny of a whole family. And that whole family will be angry with you. And there are many such people, many such nurses, midwives, doctors, and all. For the first time, medical officers that have completed housemanship are at home. They are all looking towards Ato Forsen. And I don't know the kind of research Musa Dankwah which people answered his question. Yes, or catch the minute was there. Ato forcing, should he become flag bearer of NDC, was going to win against Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia, who as a vice president, was able to spearhead over 33 different policies. Please. Dr. Bawumia is in a league of his own. Yeah. Nobody our NDC represented 2028 will be able to beat Dr. Bawumia. And then Ukraine. Nobody. If they like, they should change the name of the current president and make him contest again. He will not win against Dr. Bawumia. General Mosquito, about reporter against Dr. Bawumia. Professor Alabi does not stand a chance. Ato Forsen, no chance. Haruna Idrisu, no chance. Who else do they have? Asa, Minister of Agri, Afia Pokua, no chance. So NDC is going to have a leadership crisis, and then Ukraine, and they know very well said they are on their way back to opposition. Among them, so it shouldn't be anything new for them. And Musa Dankwah, please, you might have to have a second look at your methods once again, because they say they I'm
telling that
even in Qatar,
the middle belt, Ashanti here,
there's in the middle belt. There's gold in the water region. But
Where?
why is it that we don't see
Where?
the rampant Galamsey in the water region?
because someone started Wahoye.
No, it's because love for country. Me, my mother's village, my mother's village. When it rain, when we are in between two lakes, when it rain, those times, my mother, when they were growing, she would tell us, say, those times, it was those times, she would turn on sound gold with foam. It was there. Their mothers were able to give, yes, they're able to give them gold chains. So my mother has a gold chain that she has handed over to her children because her mother gave her gold chain because they were able to collect gold. Obi the cock baby gold wa cry. Now they are koto ana or the koye goldsmith. Now they are yet chain say they were in sinu and a man gold. But sometimes they write the date on it. So some of my mother's gold we see 19 something like 18,000. Yeah, some of the year you not even understand. Let us go and voice. So if the Galamsey, there's gold in the water region and they are not able to mine it, that means that there's some rules and regulations that are working there. That, as Bible is saying, the kings of the lands that where the Galamsey are happening is because they don't have anything to eat. Therefore, they have resorted and said, because me, Akosia, I have gotten a sofa chair. Any me fienu Bible ababe Galamsey or mihanu or bet to me asi me fie maminu. Then you love of country said, Akosia, how did you get the money? Oh, it is Bible that came to do Galamsey on my land and gave me the money. Therefore, you too, you call Bible. That is how the cartel is starting. So the minute you guys are not ready to make the conscious effort, say we are thinking about our children, because me, Akusha, have not finished giving birth. Now my children will not come and get land to even know what is contombre, because there will be no land to cultivate contombre in the next 10 years if you continue this way. Because your government is in power, you feel that you don't have the right to have the zeal that Sam George Okujeto Abakwa and the Sami Jemfin had against Galamsey, because it was not their government. So all they were doing was settings. They were lying to you, the youth of this country, and some of you bought into that lie because you refuse to read. Now, Sami Jemfin is the director of Gold Board. They are telling us today that the Galamsey, people of Galamsey land have come here to tell us, say, there can be regulation that will work. Meaning, say, Gold Board has not put any regulation in place for it to work. That is how come they are able to continue doing the illegal mining and damaging our land. Because love for country, the president of this country told us, say, if me, Akoshi, I should sit on this life and tell him, say, John Mahama, wait, they can track me. The Galamseyers of this country have got the warning to go on a live show and they are mining. Why are they not being tracked? Is it because the head of that Galamsey pit, it is in your government, Mr. President? Are you telling me that you know the people that are doing the Galamseys? That is how come you are not able to track them. If you track them, you cannot pay them for the pickup they gave you, is that why we are not tracking the Galamsey, Mr. President? Because per all the things we've learned on this life today, we've got to know, say, the cabal of Galamsey is starting from order from above to the last person. And all of you are involved. And it is a shame that you guys will come and sit down on TV and tell us, say, we will end Galamsey. Once you know that Galamsey is what you are using to buy your dress and your water, shame on you people. Shame on you, the leaders of this country, that you are watching us shout on TV, on radio and everywhere, every day that stop Galamsey, and you people are the beneficiaries of Galamsey. Shame on you. Shame on you and your government. Shame on you and your children. Shame on you and your generation. May you not have peace for the damage you are causing to this land. Because if you are the top, you stop it, the people at the bottom will follow. Bible will not get up and go and be mining Galamsey if somebody has not given him. They are bad what we are going to against. Because if you guys won't do the right thing, Bible the lands, the waters in this country are all God's. If you keep damaging the waters of the country, and one rain is able to carry 49 people in a day, that should tell you how angry the lands are with us in this country. The politicians are being important.
Dwaboso constituency monko o de mo sada mbisa the history about Dwaboso na mo mbisa mafia ekro area stores that mention se wan akra ko hono mo mbisa the history okro sa akro no hene a okro mo no musisi aye tu ba ko na ye de foforo no no apene mo ye Galamsey no be bia ye yi apaye no ton de maame asonea so be bia boso mete no ton de maame.
You see? So the chiefs.
Are you guys? This is from the horse's own mouth.
Miss Roxon, yeah, mine at the hot to say Ghana. Yeah, mine at the whole Ghana. Or mine, any biako, any dache, any future. I'm telling you. Because me fear and say, Yanko on my dear bio, on Monsio, yes, you sang na yensu, our river bodies. You trap and pro, you trap to near Trahane, the question, Ubacona, ching, cotton, fish, ya hold on near the other, and away. Yes, women, I say tea, because of Encrophobia to me.
And you might be good,
even look at this big sea. Look at how I
if you buy.
What kind of people are we? Me, that is my problem. What kind of people are we? Yeah, nipa bay. Yeah, Babrecha near bay, yeah, pussy, and me American citizen, me with American passport, me with a Canadian passport. And so what? Until the
same behavior.
This is because police near what you be said by overloading. And then Ujiniska no overloading Najayana. Mamrano, how Mamrano say.
You see,
look at our judges. Look at Omaya, me name Miss Rosin, ya semwa. Miss Rosin a lawyer, me ma lawyer. Na lawyers ni mi no one. Yen twa mabe. Chale na me makoto, and never bakoto kwa me into assembly sheda. Me say, look at this kind of country.
And seriousness.
Omaya like this. Omaya, a whole Supreme Court judge, a whole appeals court judge, a whole circuit court judge, a judgment free, party chairman ho, constituency chairman ho, and a judgment. Asamna ukudino, didn't say, can I say, look at this. Ubi will see a moment I'll go through the ranks and through a yabe judge, I from my lord. Come on upon Chimija upon Chibuntentia, a Jessica show bottom buntentia. Look at this kind of country. Enti de yakaning na yakakagu ye bre ye kasagu kwa ye kasagu.
We have lost our morals as humans. That's it.
Bi adwin botom ase ye ko school yango na omanya ya wo akola kete wasoma ofa ase kwa me koto dokno 10 cedis anchi na 5 cedis okwa na wato we 9 cedis na wato we 4 cedis. But the side ye nyini ye was secondary school ye di
bills amaye no no de akotena computer center no abobo bia hyem no de kofie no akwaji sika no anya bia hyem botom di sa akola we anyini ko university VSS abe minister. What do you expect? So anti corruption in there. If obi otidwem eton mono bags ba mo yi bi o de wo ho one bag bi o mutimi 2 cabs efrim. All these people are there. Yenina ti o manim otwe me say emo abesi ebias 100 bags a ebi on betwe 3 cabs 6 cabs into why didn't say akotom one bag not 3 cabs or 4 cabs there enim bitimi ko emo konko di twa mo no wakwa me atwa so kama san de asi atidwem ton mo kokatoko all these kind of people we are living in a country amana obi a ye ne corruption in small way. So tinipa ni nya frosoro na sika abua wanya be pani a oman sika na de ama ne se ana opese onfanye dey obeto $400,000 car atenem obesi mansions within a period of 4 years. Wonwene enipa ekogina wiem ekotitale car ho ehye t-shirt ye dede me say politicians ba obi kura pese odine ntoma sefe man na nteso just because of the love ogidie bi se enipa na eba man abrabo matumpon. But all these years the same thing na ekoso. Why Ghanaians yebewu akọ yebetu bi mo omawuko yensu yebewu akọ nti yensu sun fom ne ama yensu sum ye nimra de yensu sun ye selfish ne antoto oman na oman ni munya de ne ntena ye mamu oman ya wia but 12 months ye wia saa ye ni winter ye ni hwe ahohia bia ne oman nim nso ekom ne ahokyere nkrofuku kakra bia for manager pade nyina kenten so ana the masses no ebre ade na wose basa ade
Anabachi me that say Kwame Bible ni Kwame any Bible muna mo
edu pizza and kasa
edu ubekasa edu de bia obegina me so ogba me keke edu ubekasa ma me kasa
mame nkasa